Let's recap the top developments in the Indian solar industry from this month. India's installed solar capacity crossed the 70 gigawatt mark. Rajasthan remains the top solar powered state with an installed solar capacity of 17.8 gigawatt. R.K. Singh, the Minister of New and Renewable Energy, has also informed the Rajya Sabha that India has a potential of 748 plus gigawatt, which the government is trying to harness through multiple schemes and programs. India's solar parks contribute 10.2 gigawatt to the national grid. The Indian government has sanctioned 50 solar parks with a capacity of 38 gigawatt in 12 states. And a sum of 8,100 crores has been allocated towards the development of these projects. Andhra Pradesh to develop 3 renewable energy projects with a total capacity of 5.3 gigawatt. Chief Minister Mr. Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has laid the foundation of 3 projects worth 25,850 crore that will be developed in the state. The projects will generate power through solar, wind and pumped energy storage and are expected to create employment for over 5,300 people. India electrifies 2,762 villages with off-grid renewable energy. The scheme has implemented by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Moreover, the highest number of installations were in Arunachal Pradesh and in Chhattisgarh. 2.45 lakh farmers benefit from PM Kusum scheme. Under the scheme, farmers receive financial assistance to install solar power pumps. The government has allocated 1,636.4 crores to the initiative. Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Jharkhand are the top 5 states that have benefited from the PM Kusum Yojana. Goa's capital city Panaji to go 100% solar in the next 2 years. Punjab inks Pact to procure 1,200 megawatt solar power from SJVN. Meghalaya launches 500 crore solar mission to mitigate power crisis. The UP government is planning to solarize the Bundelkhand Expressway and has also approved a 40 megawatt solar project in Ayodhya. 1,300 government buildings in Patna to get solar power panels soon. Thank you for watching. Do share us for such updated contents.